to a new video from Magic Indicator Strategies. Do you want to get the results that I am showing you right now? Because in this video, I will show you exactly the steps that you must follow to earn a lot of money with this incredible strategy. Before we start, if you're looking for easy-to-follow trading indicators with a proven win ratio of over 80%, Easy Algo has everything you need. 90% of traders lose money due to lack of emotional discipline and not having a back-tested strategy that works. Easy Algo takes the guesswork out of trading, giving you real-time, non-repaint signals so you can accurately identify profitable entries and exits. These indicators are trusted by thousands of traders. Joining Easy Algo also gives you access to a private community of experts where you can copy signals, chat about different ideas, and learn trading 10 times faster. Check it out. We'll leave the link in the comments. Without any more time to waste, we are going to explain the strategy step by step. First, we are going to add the Impulse MACD created by Lazy Bear. Let's modify its style. In the Impulse MACD section, we have different colors. We are going to change all these colors to blue, and we are also going to increase their opacity to 100%. Now we are going to change from histogram to line. In the Impulse Histos section, we are going to change its color to white, and then change from histogram to columns. And finally, we are going to change the color of the Impulse MACD CD signal section to yellow. And we already have the first indicator ready to take the trades. And before adding the other indicators, let me show you how we should analyze the chart with this indicator. The first thing we must do is reduce the chart as much as possible, because this way we will be able to see the most important crosses that have occurred in the indicator. Once we detect the important crossovers, we are going to mark a line below the important crossovers that happened in the positive area of the indicator, and another line above the important crossovers that happened in the negative area of the indicator. In this way, we will know when we should take a long or short trade. Let's see some examples. Now we are in Euro-Dollar with a time frame of 5 minutes. Here we see that there is a bullish cross below the line that we have drawn on the indicator. This means that there is a strong possibility of a reversal on the chart, so we are going to take a long trade. We set our stop loss at the nearest swing low and our take profit with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2.5. We see that it was a winning trade. Let's see one more example. We are now in gold with a 5-minute time frame, and we will draw the lines to know the oversold and overbought areas. Here we see that there is a bearish cross above the line that we have drawn on the indicator. This means that there is a high possibility of a reversal on the chart, so we are going to take a short trade. We set our stop loss at the nearest swing high, and our take profit with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 2.5. We see that it was a winning trade. Now we are going to add the indicator that ChatGPT has created for us. As you can see, I asked ChatGPT to give us an indicator based on the RSI with great profitability. And then I asked ChatGPT to write the script to put it in TradingView, and the results will surprise you. We are back in TradingView, and as you can see, we already have the ChatGPT indicator added to our chart. Let's activate it. We see that the indicator gives us very accurate signals and does not repaint. But sometimes it has wrong signals. So we are going to add the impulse MACD with the exact same configuration as I showed you before. And we are going to add a new indicator to have accurate signals in our trading system. It is called Supply and Demand Visible Range, created by Luxalgo. We leave it by default. But if you want, you can change the colors according to your preference. Let's see the conditions to take a short trade. Now we're in Bitcoin with a 5 minutes time frame. First, we have to see that the price is in the supply or demand zone. In this case, the price is in the supply zone. So we are going to look for short trades. Second, we have the signal from the ChatGPT indicator. And third, we see that there is an impulse MACD crossover in our overbought zone. So we take a short trade. We set our stop loss at the closest swing high. And we are going to place our take profit at swing low, which is in the demand zone. We see that it is a winning trade, and with an incredible risk-reward ratio. Let's see another example. Let's see the conditions to take a long trade. First, we have to see that the price is in the demand zone, so we are going to look for short trades. Second, we have the ChatGPT indicator signal. And third, we see that there is a crossover in the impulse MACD in our oversold area. So we take a long trade. We set our stop loss at the closest swing low. And we are going to place our take profit at swing high, which is in the supply zone. We see that it was a winning trade, and with an incredible risk-reward ratio. Now let's see how to add the ChatGPT indicator to the TradingView. On the bottom left of the chart, you have the option that says Pine Editor. We select this option, and we see that many codes appear. We are going to erase everything that is written. And we are going to paste the code that ChatGPT has given us. And then we have to press where it says Add to the chart. And as we can see, it is already added to the chart. For today's strategy, we have used these parameters in the script code. But if you want, you can modify them according to your preference. And then we select Update on the chart. If you want to get the Pine script that ChatGPT created for us, follow the instructions in the video description. Without further ado, I hope you liked this video. And that now you have the power of artificial intelligence in your hands to be able to make many profits in your trading. Until the next video, happy trading!